Whatever you do, dear Sagittarius, make sure you're not burying your head in the sand, number one. Number two, make sure you're not getting lost in things that don't matter. And I'm sharing this because you're doing one of the two. You're either burying your head in the sand or you're losing yourself in things that don't matter. You're focusing your attention on things that don't matter, on details that don't matter. And or you're just burying your head in the sand. And I know this is not easy to hear. Nobody wants to hear that. If somebody tells me I'm burying my head in the sand, that's going to be very difficult to hear. So I'm not saying this to upset you. I'm just sharing this as a message for the Sagittarians right now. Is today you need to pull yourself up and make some decisions in your life. There's 2 or 3 decisions that are most valuable, that are going to support you to be present, self-aware, and empowered. And it's time to make those decisions. And today is a day to make those decisions. There's 2 or 3 of them that will support you. There's 2 or 3 decisions that will make a very big difference. And it's all about being present, being self-aware, pay attention, and being empowered. Operating from a space that is truly empowered.